Hello and happy Halloween, my friends. Ellen here. Hope all you doing well. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen and the 12th episode of Ellen's Fall Baking Series 2022. It's that time of the year, my friends. Halloween. Oh, I can't believe it's almost here. Time to dress up, go trick-or-treating, and also the Halloween parties. So today, I got a great treat to share with all of y'all that will capture the Halloween spirit. We're gonna make chocolate orange cupcakes. And my friends, these are so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious, chocolatey, and full of orange flavor. And these taste like you made them from scratch. And they're frosted with a decadent orange buttercream frosting that was sure to make your mouth water. An awesome addition to your Halloween party. Everybody's gonna fall in love with these. And these also fun to make with your kids. Y'all gonna love it, love it, love it. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my Halloween treats recipes playlist and my previous video, Maple Oatmeal Raisin Cookies. I'll post link to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your cake mix, your chocolate chips, and your orange juice, sugar, because we're about to bake some chocolate orange cupcake magic in my Southern Kitchen. Here we go. All right, my friends, in my large bowl, I have a 15.25 ounce package of chocolate cake mix. You can use any flavored chocolate. I'm using chocolate fudge. You can use devil's food, milk chocolate, whatever your heart desire. And we're going to doctor it up. We're going to follow the instructions on the package, but we're going to change up a few things. We're still going to use 3 eggs. And these are extra large eggs that let come to room temperature. And instead of oil or butter, we're going to use real mayonnaise. And I'm using a half a cup. This is going to make the cupcake nice and moist. And instead of water, we're going to add in orange juice. 1 1/4 cups at room temperature. And also, it depends on what brand of cake mix you use. Make sure you follow the exact directions. But substitute the oil or butter for real mayonnaise and water for orange juice. And we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract and 1 teaspoon of pure orange extract. And we're going to whisk all these ingredients together until they're well combined. Or you can use a hand mixer if you like. I love orange and chocolate. One of my favorite combinations. And also it's Halloween time, so this would be perfect. All right, I'm going to go ahead and finish mixing up my cake mix, and I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, I'm through mixing up my cake batter, and this is what it looked like. Nice and smooth and silky. I can smell the orange juice. That looks great. So now there's one more ingredient we got to add to it. The chocolate chips. I have 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, or you can use milk chocolate or dark chocolate. And over here, I have 2 teaspoons of all-purpose flour. Going to add that into the chocolate chips. I'm going to mix this in until it's well incorporated. And what the flour does to the chocolate chips, it'll help them stay inside the cupcake. Otherwise, if you just add the chocolate chips into the batter, it'll just sink down the bottom. So when you taste the cupcake, you'll taste the chocolate chips. Alrighty. Pour this in. And fold this in until it's well blended. All right, my friends, I'm through folding in my chocolate chips. Now we're ready to scoop them into our cupcake liners. I have my cupcake pan. And I want to show y'all these cute little Halloween cupcake liners. Trick or treat. Isn't that cute? So using my ice cream scoop, we're going to scoop the cake batter and put it into our cupcake liners about 3/4 of the way. Just like that. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish with the rest of my cupcakes and I'll bring you back. Alrighty, my friends, I got all my cupcakes together. So now I'm going to shake them to get the air bubbles out. Now we're ready to put them in the oven, and to bake them, just follow the directions on the box. Oven is preheated to 350 degrees, and we're going to let them bake for about 18 minutes. And I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I have taken my cupcakes out of the oven. And it smells amazing. Nothing like the smell of chocolate and orange. Alright, so now I'm going to let them cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. And then I'm going to take them out the pan and let them cool completely on the wire rack. And while they're cooling, we're going to get started on our luscious orange buttercream frosting. In my large bowl, I have 1 cup, which is 2 sticks of unsalted butter at room temperature. And I add in a half a block, which is 4 ounces of cream cheese at room temperature to give our buttercream icing a little extra flavor and body. And we're going to use my new mixer. Going to cream these on medium speed until they're fluffy. Alright, my friends, 2-hour butter and cream cheese. We're going to add in the zest of a medium orange. 1.5 tablespoons of freshly squeezed orange juice. 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. And 1 teaspoon of pure orange extract. And we're going to continue mixing until they're well incorporated. And over here in my bowl, I have 5 cups of powdered sugar that's sifted, or you can whisk it. Going to gradually add it in to our butter and cream cheese mixture and mix this in. Alright, last of the powdered sugar. Mix this in until it's well combined. Alright, my friends, I'm through mixing up my frosting. This is what it looks like. And there's one more thing we're going to add to it. I'm going to add in some orange food gel. Make our icing nice and orange. So we're going to mix this in. Alright, my friends, our orange buttercream frosting is complete. Look at that beautiful orange color. And our cupcake is nice and cool. We're ready to pipe them. We're going to place them on my Halloween platter. So now I have placed my frosting onto my piping bag. And I'm using a 1M star piping tip. We're going to pipe all around the cupcake, like so. And I have some chocolate chips. We're just going to put some on top. And some orange zest. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish piping the rest of my cupcakes. and I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, there you have it. Chocolate orange cupcakes. Doesn't that look good and festive? So now I'm about to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. All right, my friends, I fixed me up a plate and I garnished it with an orange slice and some chocolate chips. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Have a bite. Mmm. Mmm. Beautiful texture. It's moist. You can see the chocolate chips inside. I can taste the orange in the cupcake. And that orange frosting is divine. Definitely screams Halloween. This is fantastic, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. They deserve another bite. Yum-o. Chocolate orange cupcake delicious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemade@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and have a wonderful and safe, happy Halloween.